Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can amend or make changes in your service confirmation. For that, let's go to the transactions module. Suppose I have to amend this particular service confirmation. I will click on the transaction. The transaction timeline gets opened. Before we proceed further, one point to keep in mind here is you can amend the service confirmation if and only if you have not created any other document against it. For example, if you have created any inward document or tax invoice or any receipt voucher against the service confirmation, you will not be able to amend it. In this example, I have created just a service confirmation. To amend this document, click on the document number. The service confirmation document is open now. Now go to the other actions. Here, you will get the option to amend the document. Click on amend. Now it asks you, are you sure you want to amend the document? Click on yes. Now, your SC is ready to get amended. Here, you can make the changes. Like you can change the billing address of your buyer. You can change the billing address of yours. You can also change the place of supply. You can change the title of the document. The only things that you cannot change here are the document number, the document date, and the amendment number. It shows you the number of amendments you had done. You can change the delivery date. You can change the service order number, service order date. You can change the payment terms. You can also change the service description. You can add other descriptions also. For example, along with stitching, I have to do printing too. So I'll select this. I can add the quantity. I can add the price. You can add the tax too. The item which was already there in the service confirmation, you can make the changes in quantity and price here. For example, I'm changing the price of stitching as 100. You can add extra charges, like I'm adding packaging here. You can add the amount, tax. You can also add attachments here. Additional details like logistic details, terms and conditions. You can add the comment also. You can add the signature too. Now, just click on Save and Send. You get the option to send the document on WhatsApp to your counterparty. Now here, you will find the changes. Hope this was helpful. Here, in the document, you can view the changes. As I had informed earlier, you cannot get the option to amend service confirmation if any other document is created against the same. Let's go to our transactions module to check it out. Now here in this particular service confirmation, I'll click on the link. In this service confirmation, I have created inward against the service confirmation. Now if you open the service confirmation and go to other actions, you will not find amend option here. Even though if you want to make changes in your service confirmation, you need to cancel the inward document created against this service confirmation. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.